Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss to you class 12th biology chapter principle of inheritance and variation. Dear students, we have discussed in previous classes chromosomal theory of inheritance. That means today we discussed about the linkage and recombination. In previous classes we discussed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. That means the experiment of verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance by Thomas Hunt Morgan and his colleagues leads to discovery the basis of variation sexual reproduction produced. Morgan worked with the teeny fruit flies Drosophila melanogaster. That means they found the suitable study could be grown on a simple synthetic medium in the laboratory. That means they complete their life cycle is about 2 weeks, and a single mating could produce a large number of progeny flies. Also there are clear differences of sexes. The male and female flies are easily distinguished. Also it has many types of heredity variation can be seen with low power microscope. You discussed in the NCRT books. That means briefly I explained with linkage and recombination. According to Morgan, carry out several dihybrid cross in Drosophila to study the gene that were sexes linked. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid cross carried out by Mendel in P. For example, the hybrids yellow bodies with eyes females to brown bodies, red eyes males, and intercross their F1 progeny. That means you see in this diagram. He observed he observed the two genes did not segregate independently of each other, and in F2 ratio, that means you see in this diagram the purple flower, that means long pollen grain, capital P and small capital L and small capital L, and a red flower round pollen grain, that means small p and small l. To undergo in the gamete form to capital P and capital L and small p and small l. In F1 progeny, that means purple flowers will dominant in long pollen, capital P, capital L, small l's. To F1 progeny to forms purple flower, purple flowers, that means purple flower is a long pollen and purple flower is round pollen, and red flower is a long pollen and red flower is round pollen. That means we observe the ratio accepted Mendel's to the 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. Chromosomal theory of linkage that suggests all genes which are present on same chromosomes are linked together, and the relation between them is called a linkage. That means you can define the definition of linkage. Since chromosomes as a whole is transmitted to gamete, gene present on it are also transmitted together. Genes are present in the linear fashion on the chromosomes, hence linkage is linear. The linkage of the gene can be broken down by phenomenon like crossing over. The genes which present close to each other have more strong linkage. That means tendency to linkage remains together than those which are present distantly. The linkage is inversely proportional to the distance between the gene. The distance between two genes depend upon the percentage of crossing over between them. Therefore, linkage is also inversely proportional to crossing over. Linkage genes try to remain to their original configuration during the course of inheritance. Linkage groups which are present on chromosomes together form a distinct group is called linkage group. That means homologous chromosomes possess the same arrangement of genes, they constitute the same linkage group. Thus, the number of linkage group is an individuals is equal to gather the chromosomes pair in it. That means similar to the haploid number of organisms. For example, 23 in man and 4 in